When I think about being a child of the Caribbean, I think about coming from a place that's full of potential. I think about coming from a place that people are automatically drawn to. And I think about coming from a place that people somehow already love. I think about the number of people that I can relate to and the number of people who can relate to me. I have African influences working on me. I have European influences working on me. I have Indian influences through my grandmother. And I have the influences of the indigenous Caribbean people who we often don't talk about. I mean, we're right in America's backyard. But we're not America. We are something different. We are something that only comes around when all of these things melt and they come together and you get this thing that's the Caribbean and you can't replicate it. When I think about the number of amazing Caribbean scholars and artists and athletes, I mean, we run fast, we're so close, good, and we're smart. And people like this about us. When I'm on the streets of Toronto and I see two people talking to each other and they're talking like this, and they're very involved. I take one look and I say, those are my Caribbean people. And when a Canadian sees those people, they automatically want to know about those people. Why are they so engaged? And why are they so engaging? We have that. And I think all we need to do is talk to each other. We spend a lot of time talking to the world about ourselves individually. I think now what we need to do is begin to bridge the divide that this big sea has put between us and begin to talk to each other about ourselves and figure out how we're going to harness this to make this one Caribbean voice with all of these other voices in it. What is this one Caribbean voice and what do we want to say to the world about ourselves? And we won't even have to shout because the world is listening. The world has been listening to the Caribbean for quite some time now. They want to know about us. I'm a proud Caribbean citizen. I always have been. And I look forward to what the future holds for the Caribbean because I know it's going to be great. There is no way it cannot be great because we're the Caribbean. We talk like we're singing. We eat strange things. And we are amazing. And I'm very, very excited. And I'm actually more excited that I get to be a part of it. So, one Caribbean. Many voices coming up to one voice. One Caribbean voice. Thank you.